Alright, to actually remove the arm on your Ford Taurus X, especially if it's been on there a long time, and I'm sure it has, you will need a 13mm socket for that nut that goes right here. That's a 13mm or a 1/2 inch, I'm sure will fit also. And if it does not just pull right off, you're gonna have to manipulate a little bit. I got a a plastic mallet and just did some tapping around the corners there, and then get you a a nice wide, firm, bladed object. You'll need to work with it some, and then it'll pop right off. But if it didn't come off easily, that's probably why, because it's been on a while, and this gets all funky in here. So you may want to clean that off a little bit, with a brush, get all that buildup off of there. But putting it back on is no big deal, and changing the blade on these is not that big a deal either. Like the front wiper blades, which are some weird setup, these are very standard on the rear blade, so no big deal. Just push in the tab right there, tilt the blade up like so, then you can push the whole thing off. See if I can do it one-handed here. That little tab. Can we get some light? Can we get some light here? There's a little teeny little black tab inside there. Of course, I can't get good lighting on it when I need to. You'll just push down on that, and then just pull the blade towards you, and it will come off that large hook right there. Okay, you just have to go this way with it. So it's a little tricky, but not that big a deal. It's very standard style of blade, and you can put, I think it's a 13-inch. It's a 13-inch wiper blade. You can get that at most any, Walmart or auto parts store or whatever. And you just, same thing in reverse to put it back on. You'll start it from down here and then push it towards the outward end so it can get hooked inside there, and then you'll hear it click in place. No big deal. Putting the blade back on, no big deal. Make sure that you prop the arm up so that it'll slide onto that right there. Get your little nut, put it back on there, little 13mm. Snug it down nice and firm, but not too much. You don't want to break anything. And that'll be it. 2008, 2009 Ford Taurus X. We got more coming with this car. Thanks.